today is the last day of the week. And then tomorrow is a weekend. I always look forward to weekends because it usually means we get to do something a little bit different than the rest of the week. So let's open up and find out what day it is. This is August. Let's say our months of the year song. Okay, you ready? Sing with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. We know that it is still August. Let's see. Where does the blank? It's on an orange day. What is the orange day? Well, let's find out. Can you say them with me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Friday. And then tomorrow is Saturday, the weekend. I'm so excited. I love Fridays. Let's find out what day it is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Today is the 14th. There's the number 14. Today is Friday, August 14. You know, my son Timothy was telling me about Friday, August 14th this year. August 14th is National Creamsicle Day. Doesn't that sound delicious? And seeing that Friday is an orange day, I think I want to make an orange creamsicle. Wouldn't you like to make one too? Well, come along with me and I'll show you how. All right, I got together all the stuff that I need to make creamsicles. And I found Timothy found the recipe. And it's so easy that you can do it with your parents. For creamsicles, you're going to need some sugar and some vanilla and orange juice and heavy cream. So I got my bowl here. And the first thing I'm going to do is put in 1 cup of heavy cream. And I have a measuring cup. And right there, see the number 1? That's 1 cup. I'm going to fill it up to that line. So I put in 1 cup of heavy cream. And then I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of orange juice. And it has a line right here that says 1/2 cup. There we go. And then I get to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And see, tablespoon, it's usually the biggest measuring spoon you have. And you want to make sure that it's kind of flat across. 1, 2, great. Now I get to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You don't need much vanilla. It's very flavorful. I'm going to, there we go. Put these aside so we can wash them. Always put your stuff away when you're done. And now we're going to mix it all together. Have you ever had an orange creamsicle? I'm going to pour this into the cups, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer for a little bit. Some people have popsicle makers or molds. Your mom and dad might. But I decided to go with just what I had it on hand. So I'm going to put these in the freezer for, well, it says from 10 to 15 minutes. So I think we should do it for 14 minutes because today is the 14th. Put them in the freezer. It's been 14 minutes and now it's time to do the next step. We got to make them look like popsicles. So we'll take a popsicle stick, and it's supposed to be just slushy hard enough. Look at that, where the popsicle stick will stand straight up. That one doesn't look like it's done enough. I think I need a few more minutes for that one. Then you put them back in the freezer, and we're going to leave them there for a couple hours. An hour is a long time, but I think it'll be worth it. So let's put these back in, and then we'll have popsicles. I waited a long time for these creamsicles to be ready, but they're ready now. And see, if I tip it upside down, it doesn't come out. It's completely frozen. So I got myself a bowl of hot water, and I'm going to dip it in to melt it just a little bit around the cup. Let me see if that works. It did. Look, there it is. It does taste like a orange creamsicle. And it's very good. Well, if you ask your parents, maybe they'll help you make creamsicles. But right now, I think it's time to go. And I'm going to go and enjoy my creamsicle. You have a great weekend. See you on Monday.